called FluxMap. So kung ayaw magdala ng charger sa kanang power bank, ito 2-in-1 siya. So meron ka ng charger at meron ka pang power bank. At pwede niya i-charge yung device mo habang nag-recharge yung battery sa kanya. So talagang very convenient siya. Ngayon, yung mga cable, sino yung magamit ng iOS cable? Okay. Now, yung iOS cable, alam natin yung original cable, super dali masira. Usually, 6 months, 8 months, pipiglas na siya. Nakita ko yung cable ni Sir Winston, talaga, grabe. So, bibigyan ko siya ng bagong cable ng Peter. So, ang kagagawa ng cable na to, aluminum yung mga tips niya, may LED lang, braided siya with steel, tapos meron siyang lifetime warranty. So, lifetime warranty. So, kailangan ng bunga ng cable ng ayos isang beses. Yun na yun. Basta lightning cable siya. So, 1 year local warranty. Tapos, if you're gonna claim after 1 year, you just ship it to the manufacturer abroad and they'll send you a new one. So, yun yung warranty niya. Napakaganda. Okay. So, meron din kami mga stuff galing sa Apple Store USA. Sa Asia, di ba, uso sa atin si Sanrio. Sa kanila kasi mga monkey characters. So, meron silang tawag na Felix na characters. So, itong mga accessories na pa-cute. Okay. And then, itong Belkin, I think familiar naman kayo dito. Ang kagandahan ka dito kasi sa Belkin, napaka-develop niya sa research and design. Now, in advance, we're launching Belkin next month. So, in this room, I'd like to invite everyone. So, please register in our attendance sheet, Brian.
What day?
I think it's gonna be sometime in mid-July. So we will send, we just need your email para ma-send namin invitation sa inyo. Bakit lifestyle vloggers i-invite na namin? Kasi may na-research and develop si Belkin, nakakaiba, na talagang magbabago ang paggamit nyo ng data sa chargers nyo sa mga cables nyo. So that's for Belkin. So we also have yung strongest screen protector and bumper shields. Ito, just imagine nyo to. Pwede nyo ihulog ng 3 story yung cellphone nyo at hindi siya masisira. Yun yung purpose niya. Tapos yung screen protector niya, hulugan mo ng barbell na 20 kilograms, hindi siya magkakrak. So ganun siya katibay. So yung launch ng product na to, Rhino Shield, dumating na yung shipment sa amin, ila-launch rin namin siya next month. So invited din kayo to attend. So, since mainly kami sa photography, we have this lady here, si Cynthia. She's from Manfrotto. So, kung may questions kayo about Manfrotto, National Geographic, sa Gilson, pwede siya natin mamaya. Dala kami ng mga display items galing Manfrotto saka sa National Geographic. Ang maganda dito kasi, ang Manfrotto kasi, ito yung parang Italian bags for photography. So, in terms of photography, siya yung parang pinaka-Louis Vuitton ng mga photography bags. And then, Jinso, Sim Stores, for this one, online pa lang kami dito sa Lazada.com.ph. Pero magkakaroon kami ng isang concept store before the end of the year. So we'll invite you to the opening also, maybe sometime in October or September.
What area?
It's probably one of the top 5 malls. Kinakausap pa namin yung leasing. Okay, yung National Geographic kasi, ang kagandahan dito, very trendy siya, very functional. Pwede siya for photography, for traveler, for bloggers like yourselves are always on the go. And the designs are very timeless and classic. And right now, pwede na natin siya bilhin sa Philippines starting next month. Kasi right now, yung National Geographic bags, mabibili naman siya sa Hong Kong or Singapore lang. So we were able to convince the principal na, "Hoy, bibenta naman kayo sa Pilipinas." So pwede tayo bumili sa Lazada.com.ph. Now, meron din kaming last 3 products, a wearable brand. So si Fantastic, this is the biggest running brand worldwide. Fantastic. So kung may iPhone kayo, built in na yung app din sa iPhone. We bought an iPhone 6 this year. Tapos yung iWatch, na parang din, built in na rin yung app nito. So yung software nila, may 500,000 users sa Philippines, 110 million sa buong mundo. Tapos ang gear niya are wearables, GPS watches, saka smart weighing scale. Like for example, lifestyle vloggers kayo, you also want to be fit, di ba? So meron tayong weighing scale that measures not only your weight, it also measures your blood content, your muscle content, bone content, BMI, and syncs to your phone. So rather than going to a health clinic to get your measurements, you can do it in the convenience of your homes. Now last but not least, sino ba may kids dito sa inyo? Now, meron kaming very interesting toy dito. It's called Ubuli. Si Ubuli, stock toy siya na malaki. Pwede mo ipasok yung iPad mo or yung tablet mo Android, download mo yung software, tapos meron siyang 250,000 unique content na every week ina-update. Ano yung content niya? Stories, games, playing games with your kid. Pwede mo i-program yung pangalan ng kid mo, favorite color niya, favorite food niya. Tapos si Ubuli, magiging company niya yung kid mo. So paglalaroan niya, makikipaglaro siya ng si kid mo. So, tapos wholesome siya, wala siyang bastusan ng pang-sipsili. So, very good.
Walang sample.
Wala yata ang dalawa yan. Pero last but not least, I just wanna say na yung mga produkto namin, available siya sa Powerpack, sa Lazada, saka sa WeChat. So, thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed the terrific coffee and cakes kay Sir Wilson. Thank you for the invitation for having us here sa kay Ma'am Marjorie at sa Sir Janelle. So, may mga products kami naka-display dyan sa aming mga media kits kami. Please register. Tapos, I hope to see you dun sa mga launches namin in the next few months. So, we have 2 to 3 more launches available. So, please attend our launches. So, ngayon meron tayong paraffle.